Ghome Smart Light Switch. Single pole switch. 15 amp max. Built-in overload protection. Timer to turn on or countdown to turn off. No hub or subscription required. Alright, to show you it works. Then you get the provided faceplate from the bottom and then snap into place. Has its own app for control and works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi compatible, not 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Turn on or off your lights anytime with your smartphone on the app, no matter if you are at home, in your office, or when you are on vacation. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free by using voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn on Smart Switch 2.
Alright, turning the Smart Switch 2 on.
Hey Google, turn off Smart Switch 2.
Alright, turning off the Smart Switch 2.